my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, wow, gagawa tayo ng glowy makeup look. Ano na yun? Mukha bang glowy? Or mukha lang oily? But, yeah, yan yung look na ginawa natin ngayon. At meron tayong pa-background na white, ano? Gusto niyo ba yan? Gusto niyo yan? So, ayun. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, once nag 300k tayo, charot 300k, I mean nag 300 subscriber tayo, magwa-white background na ako or mag-aayos tayo ng maayos. So, sa next video, abangan nyo siguro, mas maayos na rito yung setup natin. So, ayun. Meron tayo ng 300 plus. So, isipin mo yun, pag hinihin ko kayo lahat ng tagpipiso, meron ako agad 300, diba? Pambiling foundation, charot. So, ayun, ito yung gagawin nating look. And kung gusto nyo makita kung paano kayo ginawa yung look na yan, just keep on watching. But, before that, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi ako magsasalita sa video na yon. Parang tuloy-tuloy lang para mabilis kasi nakakatamad. Pag ang dami ko sinasabi, haba ng video at ang tagal mag-upload. So, tulad dito, ang dami ko sinasabi. So, humahaba yung video, diba? So, ayun lang. Panoorin nyo yan. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun
na. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And ayun lang, hit mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka every time I post a new video. Ayun, ayun lang naman. Hindi na ako nakapag-intro, nakapag-outro, hindi ko na alam kung paano mag-outro. Pero, ayun, mag-subscribe ka na para lahat tayo dito mag-GB. And bye! See you on my next one!